If you're wondering how to sync your Asana tasks with a calendar, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to integrate Asana tasks with a calendar and boost your productivity in just a few steps. First off, Asana makes it super simple to sync tasks to your calendar, but there are a few steps you'll need to follow. Whether you're using Google Calendar, Outlook, or Apple Calendar, you'll be able to get this set up quickly. And don't worry, you can get started for completely free using the link below, plus you'll get exclusive bonuses when you sign up. Now, let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is make sure you're using the right calendar view in Asana. To do that, head over to the My Tasks section in Asana and toggle over to the calendar view. This will show you all of your tasks with due dates in a clean calendar layout. Next thing, look at the top right corner of your Asana screen. You'll see a button that says Export. Click that and you'll see the option to sync your tasks with Google Calendar or another calendar provider. Select the Sync to Calendar option and a URL will pop up. This URL is what you'll use to connect Asana to your calendar. Now, the third thing, copy that URL and head to your calendar application. For Google Calendar, go to the left-hand sidebar and find the Other Calendars section. Click the plus sign, select from URL, and paste the Asana sync URL there. After you add it, you'll automatically start seeing your Asana tasks as events on your calendar. The fourth thing to remember, if you're using Outlook or Apple Calendar, the process is very similar. Just look for the Add Calendar or Subscribe to Calendar option in the settings of your chosen calendar app and paste the URL you got from Asana. In no time, your tasks will be synced. If you want your calendar to reflect changes automatically, keep in mind that this sync updates every 24 hours, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. However, it's great for staying on top of deadlines. At this point, your Asana tasks should now be fully synced with your calendar. But one last tip, if you want to get more from this sync, consider using reminders or additional notifications in your calendar app to alert you of upcoming tasks and deadlines. And before I finish, remember that you can get started with Asana for free by clicking the link in the description below, and you'll also unlock a special extended free trial for some of the advanced features. So, now that you know how to sync your Asana tasks with a calendar, you'll never miss another deadline. Happy organizing!